Alright, so I chose Google Drive to keep everything organized for EDCI 270 and just for my course theme. So I don't have much in here right now, but here is the copy of my Google Docs assignment, and then I created a folder inside of this folder, which you can do that by clicking New, and then you click the top button which just says Folder, and then you can name it, etc. If you double click on this, these are the pictures that I used for my for one of my projects. So if you go to Drive, see my folder is right here, and if you right click on that, you can press the share button and you can go ahead and share that with other people if you wish. If you go to Google Docs, say this is my Google Doc assignment, you click on these three buttons. Oh, that's my bad. Just actually click on that. And then if you go to File and you click make a copy, you can go ahead and make a copy of that. And then if you click My Drive, and My Drive again, I can go ahead and click that. And then that will send me to Google Docs, and then this will be placed in the folder that I had just created. So then there's the second copy of that I had just created. So yeah, that is how mine is organized. Obviously there's not a lot in there right now because we've only done a couple things, including, Google Docs. So yeah.